GadgetGoddess, and today I have the OEM Pixel case. This case is in Bay Blue, or Bay as they just call it, B-A-Y. Took me some restraint to not open this up before I could shoot it. Didn't want to use the blue backdrop because this is blue on blue. Didn't want to get washed out. I wanted to see the true color. Now, didn't want to rip that, but no. I wasn't going to get the OEM case, but the more I looked at this blue, and it was like a Carolina blue, I felt like I had to have it. Adhesive strip, probably just cut the tabs on these, because you know how we like to go through some cases. We have to cut these tabs too, but they have a soft Alcantara type feel on the inside of this case. It's going to have the openings for your volume up and down rocker and your power button, and the front is not super thick. So let's see. I put the matte screen protector on the back of this phone, even though it's matte already. Came out pretty good. I have double protection on the front. If you did not see my installation video, when I first got the phone, I put glass, and this is matte over the glass. There's a slight halo around the sides, but once you put a case on, you really don't notice it. I'm gonna see if this case works with it without pulling the sides up. We'll see. And it came with a hinge protector to make that matte so it's not covered in fingerprints all the time. While I'm installing this, I'm going to give you an update on my battery life. So if you don't know, beta became open for Pixel users, Pixel Fold users. So I activated the beta on my Pixel Fold. Much better battery life. Right now I'm sitting at 70%. Usually I was hitting that at midday. It is 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So shout out to beta. Let's get this installed. I'm trying to do this because I don't know if it's going to wreak havoc on my screen protector or not. I've been lucky enough to only have one case that kind of, get in there. One case that kind of pulled up my screen protector. What's going on? Alright, anything that's going to leave the screen wide open, you're going to be pretty good. This actually leaves some extra space, more so than my other ones. This is a silicone kind of case, so if you don't like a silicone kind of feel, you're not going to like this, even though it snaps like a hard case. I think it looks good, looks great with my logos and all that good stuff. Nice blue, nice Carolina-ish looking blue. Hopefully this phone will be around during basketball season. Wide open cutouts on the side for your volume rock and power button, like I said. Cutouts up top for microphone and speakers. Cutouts in the bottom for your speakers and mic, as well as your charging port. I like the way it feels in hand, but like I said, a lot of people don't like silicone. I'm curious as to whether it will stain. I thought it gave me some good contrast to the black Pixel Fold. And like I said, I'm now experiencing better battery life. Again, it hasn't been 24 hours. I will do an update when I do an update on the Fold, but I wanted to give y'all an update while I was shooting this case. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out my video on the Google Pixel Fold OEM case that you get straight from the Google store. This is Bay, or Bay Blue, or whatever you want to call it. You know, I'm gonna call it Carolina Blue because that's what it looks like to me. Forget that Bay stuff. You think Bay, you think California. This is North Carolina. Let's go. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you like multiple videos on this channel or you like this Pixel coverage, please hit subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see how much a membership costs on this channel, or if you'd like to support this channel, please click on the join button and that'll tell you what each tier of membership has to offer. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on my next video, whether it be Pixel or something else. Holla!